Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WsCube Tech English channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that how you can schedule a video and what is a premiere video, right? So let's get started. So when you promise your audience that every day you will be posting some content, some video on this channel, then you have to fulfill that promise, right? So in order to do that, either you can upload every video every single day, or you can choose a particular day or date on which you will schedule all your videos for that particular week, right? When we'll upload it, it will be uploaded to the server, it will be saved, but it won't appear to the public until and unless that particular schedule time, right? So let's get started. I'm going to show you that how easily you can do this. We have already talked about that how you can upload a video. If you haven't watched that video, go to this channel and open the playlist of the complete YouTube course, and from there you'll find that video. So do watch that. Okay, so in order to upload a video, we have to come on the YouTube studio. From here you can either drag your files up there, or you can just select a file. So I'm just gonna select a random video. So there is this video I have selected, and I'm gonna post it. Okay, so this is your title. I'm not gonna talk about the title because we have already talked about it. So after choosing a thumbnail and all the settings that I have told you in our later videos, right? So you have to select on the next. After doing that, you can just select. So now after in the last page, you have two options. Either you can save or publish. Right now you can either choose for the private, unlisted or public. I have already talked about this thing in our previous video, so do watch that video. So either you can save or publish right now, or you can choose this option, schedule, right? So I'm gonna talk about that how you can schedule your video. So after scheduling, you can choose a particular date. You can choose any future date, right? So for example, I'm choosing the 14th of November, and you have to also choose the time that when your video will get published. The time zone will be according to your country. So this is a 24-hour watch, so you have to select the timing. Okay, so I'm selecting here the 2000 hours, that means 8 p.m. evening, right? Okay, so now comes this important thing that either you can set as premiere, or you can just leave this option out, right? So when we choose a video as a premiere, so what is a premiere? Let's read out that what YouTube says, that when you set your video as a premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time, right? This video will get played on your timeline, and your viewers can watch it along with you, right? After that, a public watch page, just like we do in the live video, a public watch page gets created where people can set this video on the reminder. So they can just select the reminder point, and YouTube will automatically remind them that that video has been uploaded, right? So this is an important section that we get in the premiere video, right? So if you want your video to be premiere on that particular time, there are some advantages of making your video premiere, that there would be a reminder option that viewers can choose that. After that, your video you can interact with your viewer, whosoever is watching your video, it can comment on that, and you can immediately reply or solve that query, right? So it would be like live video, right? But you won't be sitting there and delivering your content. Your video is already recorded, right? So I have chosen this schedule point, and I'm going to select is set as a premiere. If you set as a premiere, there's an option of set up premiere, that how you want your premiere to be. First of all, there is this countdown length, that when you want your countdown to begin, there would be a countdown, a beautiful theme kind of the countdown, right? And here are some themes also. You can see that how your countdown will look. Okay, so you can just set it out, and we will click on the schedule, right? So this is as easy as that. You can just upload a video and you can schedule it for a future date. You can either choose the premiere or non-premium. Okay, so now this comes the window that you can share this particular schedule video to your other social media platforms. You can copy this link. So now let's come to my channel, and as you can see that this video will appear here every time anybody comes across my channel or type my channel in the search box. This video will be shown to them that at that particular time this video will get scheduled, right? So this is a pro tip for that. You can make a premiere, and you can also, people would be able to set a reminder that whenever this video gets started, people will get a notification, right? So this is a good thing. You can take some advantage of that. And I do understand that not every day you'll get free, or you'll get a free for a particular period of time. But if you have promised your audience that every day you will come up with a new video, then you have to fulfill your promise and deliver a new video every day that on that particular time, right? So I hope you have learned something from this video. If this video was used for you, hit the like button. If there's any question or query, you can just comment down, and do subscribe to WsCube Tech English channel. Thank you so much.